As the ongoing pandemic continues to claim lives of hundreds of COVID-19 patients all around India, a non-governmental organization in Indian capital New Delhi is arranging for the cremation of those who succumbed to the disease. Crematoriums in India are trying to cope with the overwhelming influx of bodies, with some cremated in makeshift pyres in parks and parking lots, as the country's total virus cases have crossed 18 million mark.
Members and volunteers of Indian capital New Delhi-based non-governmental organization are stepping in to cremate COVID-19 victims whose families are unable to take care of the bodies. Crematoriums in India are trying to cope up with an overwhelming influx of bodies, with some cremated in makeshift pyres in parks and parking lots, as the country's total virus cases have crossed the 18 million mark. Volunteers from Shaheed Bhagat Singh Seva Dal NGO say they are bringing dozens of bodies daily to the capital Simapuri crematorium to cremate them.
आज हम एक दिन में 40 से लेकर 45 और 50 तक की बॉडी डेड बॉडी जो घरों के अंदर क्वारंटाइन है वो डेथ हो रही है, उनको उठा के लाने का काम सब हम कर रहे हैं। जैसी कॉल आती है हम किसी को 1 घंटे में, किसी को 2 घंटे में रेस्क्यू कर लेते हैं। उसमें हमारे वॉरियर जाते हैं, डेड बॉडी को सैनिटाइज करते हैं। हमारे पास बॉडी बैग है, उस बॉडी बैग के अंदर बॉडी को पैक करते हैं, अपनी गाड़ी में रखते हैं, फिर यहाँ लाते हैं, उसे क्रीमेट कराते हैं। जिनके घर से कोई नहीं है, यानी कोई सारे ही क्वारंटाइन है, उनसे अंडरटेकिंग लेके हम कर देते हैं।
Meanwhile, authorities in northern Amritsar city are building makeshift platforms to cremate more than 30 bodies of COVID-19 victims that arrive there every day. Hospitals said they were overwhelmed and grave diggers worked around the clock to bury victims on Thursday as the country grappled with the coronavirus crisis.
इस समय दुर्गाना के शिवपुरी में 30 से लेकर 32 तक संस्कार हो रहे हैं।
COVID-19 on Friday infected over 386,000 more people in India in yet another worrying daily high and killed 3,498 in the last 24 hours, the health ministry data showed.